A 34-year-old young techie Atul Subhash committed suicide in Bengaluru, and he has left behind a suicide note. Some pages are typed, some pages are handwritten, and he says 9 police complaints have been registered against me. There are false charges of murder, dowry harassment, and also domestic violence. And the suicide note says that these charges are not true. The deceased man says that he was paying his wife 2 lakh rupees in spite of she not letting him see his own son, his 4-year-old son, and his son was being used as a tool of blackmailing him. The deceased also in his suicide note said that he was forced to give expensive gifts not only to his wife but to his wife's mother and his brother-in-law. So I think a case of abetment to suicide, not only against the wife but against her mother and relatives, should be registered. They should be arrested. Also, the police of Jaunpur, these cases were registered in Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh. The police, all those police officers who wrote these false cases, FIR should be registered against them for making a false case, because the wife has accepted that her father was not murdered but died of heart attack. So a person dying of heart attack and police writing murder clearly shows that this is a travesty of justice. It is a gross misuse of law. Blackmailing married people, that you force them to commit suicide, is very deplorable, very shameful. My heart goes out to the mother who has lost her son, and also for the 4-year-old boy who will not know his father just because his greedy mother had other plans for him. Dowry laws or women laws being made to protect women should not be misused.
मेरा नाम अतुल सुभाष है। मैं तकरीबन 34 साल का हूँ। बैंगलोर में रहता हूँ। जो मैं पैसे कमा रहा हूँ उसी से मैं अपने दुश्मन को बलवान बना रहा हूँ। वही पैसे मुझे ही बर्बाद करने के लिए यूज हुए। मेरी कुछ आखिरी इच्छाएं जो हैं ये हैं। मरे हुए शरीर के आसपास मेरी पत्नी या उसका परिवार की तरफ से कोई नहीं आना चाहिए। मेरा अस्थि विसर्जन तब तक नहीं होना चाहिए जब तक मेरे हरासर्स को पनिशमेंट नहीं मिलता। इतने सारी चीजें, एविडेंस और सब कुछ होने के बाद भी अगर कोर्ट, ये जज और मेरे बाकी के हरासर्स को पनिशमेंट नहीं देती है और बरी कर देती है, तो मेरा जो अस्थि है वहीं कोर्ट के बाहर किसी गटर में बहा देना चाहिए। इसी के साथ मैं ये वीडियो बंद करता हूँ। सके तो माफ करना। मैं अपने माँ बाप भाई से अलग से उनसे बात करूंगा लिख कर। हो सके तो माफ करना, जिस उम्र में मुझे अपने मम्मी पापा का सहारा बनना था उस उम्र में उन्हें हमेशा के लिए दुख देके जा रहा हूँ ऐसा।